Hey guys, the George Floyd Parks After Dark, and you know where we are at the Art of Animation. You can tell by these big signs. Simba's just saying hi to you right now, but listen, we're here for one very special reason. It's Christmas in Disney. And guys, Art of Animation has gone next level. We're just gonna start with the garland. All right, so we've never seen anything like this ever in Disney. So it wraps around all the posts, it has all over the front, but I just wanna show you this. Little packages, lights flashing, big heavy garland, huge, it's awesome. Look at the entrance of this place. I gotta swoop in here. I'm just stammering because it's just so cool. So if you are able to look up and see this, what they have in the center section there, they have a paintbrush that comes down at an angle. They have the sketches. They have film, like movie film kind of ribbon throughout. It is done so incredibly well. So it is really just subtle. It is bringing out those whites and the silvers. It doesn't grab you. It doesn't throw you around the room, but it just grabs your attention. It's awesome. I know if I stare at this long enough, I'll find you like a dozen hidden Mickeys. But that's this, but we're going inside. Because inside, we have got to show you this. So, okay, real quick. Probably one of the neatest wreaths too in all of Disney right now. Same thing, look real quick. I'll show you up close here. So here's the sketches, right? From Cars and from Lion King. And there's the same kind of big boxes and balls that they have in the garland out there. Same lights, and then that bow. Big silver bow. We love this thing. But it's not, it's all black and white, because guess what? This is Art of Animation. It's got color. So what they did here, which we really think is subtly neat, they have a series of wreaths. Now we'll get up close to one here. And so the packages now have color, and then you have the different sketches. Now it's not land specific by each wreath, so there's a mishmash of different sketches from different lands here. But if you notice, the green matches the green stripes that are going up. It's the color swatches, right? Loving it. So that's this one. Now we'll come around here. Then you have kind of the yellowy green as you kind of go into the yellow section. And you guys know what's next, yellow, and then they have the orange. And then they just carry the color up and over around this opening. It's fantastic. Then you have the reds. And we love Disney cast members. And then here's the burgundies. And then it goes into purples. And then the kind of deep purple. Now, that's great. We think that's awesome. Right now we can stop and this would be a great day. But guys, that's the tree. So the black and white outside was this subtle way to sneak you in here and went boom. Color, color, more color. So what they do is, that on this tree, which we have not seen anywhere else, is the color spirals around and changes as it goes up through these sections. Obviously the blue, the green, the orange, and then the pink, and then all the way to the top, the purple. Now that's just the start of it. Let's get in up close personal. Now you know Disney. On these trees, they sneak stuff in here. So there's a movie film ribbon. Behind it are the sketches. Package is still there, and then tucked in here are balls like that. It sort of reminds me of the Pixar ball. Then they have these huge green paint canisters. But it's not just a paint canister. What they do is they take the green ribbon and they have it like a spraying paint out. And it goes all over. I mean, come on. Who does this? This is just the best. Right? And then here's yellow. They're doing the same thing with yellow. It sprays off. So each ribbon color, I think, is anchored by one of these bottles. And then if you pan up, and we will obviously, at the top here, you'll see it. They have paint brushes at the top, which is great. And come all the way around here. Up there's the red one, spraying the red paint. But the very top, up here, is an artist palette with the paintbrush and the colors, and then like your painting. So, guys, this is just such a great tree. We came in here obviously late, so we wouldn't get a lot of people, but that is just a fantastic, well done artistic tree. And you would say, George, This is great. You know what, guys? I just realized it. You know that ball I showed you? Let me show you this one. It's paint splattered on the ball. Yes, it took me that long to connect that dot. Many of you probably already got that, but it took me a minute to figure out that's what that is. It's paint splattered on that ball. So this is just so nice. We're gonna back all the way back out so you guys get one more view, and then I gotta show you one more magical thing here. And we come back around, you see all the wreaths again. But they snuck in something here. So they created, when they redid the front lobby here, they created a sitting area back here in the corner. The TV's playing, and they snuck in a baby tree. Think of it like the other tree's little brother. He's in here. And there you go. So in here is almost like the kids tree in the kids area. So it's really, again, you have the colors. It's not as bold. It's a mishmash of colors. It's mixed in. You have the sketches are still there. The big balls are still there. The paintbrushes. It has a ton of paintbrushes in here. But what it has, it makes it a little different. It has crayons because it's kids. And it has the big paintbrushes. And it's just really, it's a neat variation of what we've seen. But it's, I'm telling you, this is art of animation. This isn't the Grand Flow. It isn't Wilderness Lodge, where they have amazing Christmas decorations. This, they just took next level. And I'll tell you, we just had a conversation. We don't remember it being like this last year. We think this is new, and this is wonderful. So with that, guys, listen. Do not hesitate. Do not stop. Do not pass go. Do not click $200. Come to the Art of Animation. Check out this Christmas decorations. It is fantastic. With that being said, guys, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will find you more Christmas decorations. We're going to every resort. So far, we've got many. If you like this video, go back. We have many other videos of Christmas at different resorts and at different parks. We want you to see all of it. It's Christmas at Disney. Nothing like it. You guys take up a fantastic night.